So this is a CUDA-based tic-tac-toe game where the GPU evaluates the moves and instead of CPU logic. And here what happens is like here we have defined the empty. You define some constants here like empty will be corresponding to a zero, x will be corresponding to a one, o to a minus one. Then prepare the we check the winning combinations here. That is, we check whether the row is equal, whether a row is fully filled with x's or o's, or the diagonal or the column or anything. Anything if the player wins, then it will return true. And here if we are evaluating the moves, so every single GPU would be evaluating their moves based on how they're based on the other players' current position and how the board overall is moving. This is for printing the board, so the entire board will printed on the terminal, and this is where it will be checking using the CPU process. And then we have the main function. So here what is happening is that the player starts with x, and then they go shifts to next player. But the thing is that it'll randomly be placing the position, the x and the o, based on whether there are more favorable positions for it to place on. So if we place x and then o is being placed next, and if there are multiple positions where o can maximize its chances of winning, then it will be able to randomly place in any of those positions. So here like I have compiled the code here, and here is an example where you can see. So if I run this, so right now x starts at this point, then o starts at x starts here, then o starts here, then x comes here, and like that it keeps playing, and finally at the end x is the winner. Again, if I play another time, again x wins, but the method of x winning is different from the previous turn. As you can see here, again x wins in this way. So based on the random placement of x's and o's, then it'll show that this is how then it'll show that okay, the GPUs are playing and maximizing their chances of winning in each turn.